Welcome back to another one. It has been a while since I've been on here, and the reason for it is I've been in Kansas working for an outfitter called Sandhill Flyways. It has been an absolute blessing to be down here, and as you can tell, we just recently got hammered with a winter storm, and now bringing it back to the Wisconsin roots, and we're hunting in snow again. But if you guys haven't heard of Sandhill Flyways, I'll leave a link in the description for them. They do waterfowl, whitetail, and then spring turkey as well. So with that being said, our waterfowl season is going to be coming to a close here in the next couple weeks. Spring turkey is going to be opening up, and the draw for Kansas spring turkey is January 14th, I believe, so only a couple days away. So if you're interested in booking a Kansas turkey hunt with Sandhill Flyways, I'll have a link in the description. You can fill out the booking form and send it off their way. And this spring, I'll actually be down here filming for a couple weeks, so maybe I'll see you guys there. But with that being said, we've been getting pretty amped up for turkey season to come rolling around. And with that, I made a little highlight video from a hunt I did last year with Ethan through the Coyote Club. It's a mentored hunt, it's archery only, and it's a first-time turkey hunter. The last 2 years, for the 2023 season and 2024 season, Ethan and I have been blessed with good shooters, and we've put birds in front of them and made it happen. So this spring, I'll be up in Wisconsin filming that as well. I just wanted to kind of revamp it, do a little highlight video of it. I'm getting pretty amped up for turkey season. I can't wait. I'm getting a bunch of states in planned, trying to figure out all the logistics for that with draws and tags and over-the-counter tags. So I'm just getting really fired up for turkey, so hence why I'm making this video. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope the fall of 2024 treated you guys well, and hopefully you guys are getting amped up for turkeys just as much as I am. Spring is going to be here soon, and hopefully, crossing my fingers, I draw for Mississippi, and I would be down there March 15th for opening day. So it's only a couple months away. Hopefully that's the plan. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and good luck to you this spring. Back in the woods doing mentor on here with whale's tails again, and we ended up getting 40-50 yards from where these birds were roosting, but they flew down off roost and took off the opposite direction down, and now we're moving. It sounded like there's a big green pasture a couple hundred yards away, and the last time they gobbled, it sounds like that's where they were. So we got down, and we're going to try to run in there and set up on these trails that are plowed through here in hopes to get inside their bubble and hopefully be able to call one of these things in this morning for them. Yeah, I would say this way.
What's your review? How was that?
Oh, that was so cool.
The man who doesn't smile is smiling ear to
Oh,
ear.
I know. Oh, that's so cool.
If at first you don't succeed, try again.
It's so cool. Oh, we got to see it now.
Look at that, right where you practice.
Yeah, right. That's what you told me. That's so cool.
Check them out.
He made a perfect shot on this thing. This is just an insane opportunity that people get to do through the Kanadi Club here. We'll leave a link in the description for all the information about this hunt. So far, me and Ethan are 2 years in a row now. We've been able to put people on birds. So just a great opportunity, and I'm extremely thankful for Ethan and the Kanadi Club to let me come and film all this stuff for them. But we're gonna wrap this up here, get some photos for him, and get heading to breakfast.